In 1967, Ford didn't know they were creating a classic. They were just building a car for the present. But imagine a different timeline, one where the Mustang was never reinvented, only refined. Year after year, engineers changed less than people expected and more than people noticed. By 2032, the result wouldn't look futuristic. It would look inevitable. The proportions remain untouched. A long hood, short rear deck, the unmistakable fastback arc. Not preserved as nostalgia, preserved because aerodynamics never found a better answer. The front grille is no longer open air. It's a dark glass surface housing adaptive optics and cooling channels beneath a solid skin. The horse emblem emits a soft white glow, not branding, but identification. At night, the car doesn't appear lit, it appears awake. The circular headlights still exist, but they don't project light forward. They read the road and shape illumination only where needed, turning darkness into depth rather than brightness. Under the transparent section of the hood sits the power core. Electric propulsion handles movement in silence and instant torque. But Mustang heritage demanded sensation, not just speed. So the chassis itself reproduces mechanical character. Through the seat, pedals, and steering column, the driver feels a calibrated vibration profile based on the original V8 firing order, not a speaker imitation. A physical memory translated into motion. The side profile remains clean. No handles. Entry happens along a pressure-sensitive strip beneath the window line. The roof is now continuous glass, flowing into the fastback without interruption. At the rear, the three vertical taillights became thin light blades, communicating braking force and driver intent to surrounding traffic. Inside, almost nothing changed. Round gauges, metal toggle switches, a thin steering wheel. Only on closer look does the glass instrument panel reveal itself, showing minimal information only when necessary. Because this car was never meant to compete with technology, it was meant to coexist with it. This is not a modern reinterpretation of a classic Mustang. This is the version that would exist if Ford had simply kept building it. Not louder, not faster, just uninterrupted. The Mustang that never became history.